guys, we just got here and we're at Signature. We're just gonna pick up our passengers and then we head right back. That's the mission for today. Then I get a chance to sit in that pilot seat, which is really all I'm waiting for. So stay tuned.
Welcome back to MojoGrip. Mike here. Today I am getting such a treat. I get to fly in the Citation private jet. The Citation were some of Cessna's early models to the business jet world, and the one we're flying today is a 1982 model. This plane is capable of doing speeds up to 400 miles per hour, and you can carry 9 people. The best part about owning a Citation II is that you only need one pilot to fly it. Although this aircraft is a few decades old, it's been completely renovated from the inside out. And today we'll be flying with a well-decorated pilot kit. It's a short hop, about 45 minutes, and I'm just itching for my chance to get in the pilot seat. Once we got our fuel, we were ready to go. Startup and taxiing were fairly easy in the Citation. As you may already know, with 2 engines, you start one engine first and then the second engine follows. We were in time for the run-up. I should mention that the checklist for this jet is a little bit longer than what I'm currently used to. As you see Kid here setting our GPS for the flight plan, you'll notice that the screen in here is all glass. This 30-year-old cockpit has been completely renewed with a Garmin 700 and 750. So what you have here is all touchscreen. So we got our takeoff clearance and off we go. The Citation II jet needs about 4,000 feet of runway to take off. And what you see here is once that nose is ready to come off the ground, you can see Kid uses both hands to pull up. That's because this jet is very, very nose heavy. During the climb, expect about 3,000 feet per minute in your climb rate. For this trip, we had an IFR flight plan, and once we got our clearance to go up in altitude, you can see Kid activate the autopilot. The autopilot system in this jet is amazing. As I mentioned before, this is a nose-heavy aircraft, and once that autopilot kicks in, you can let go of your arm and just let the system do the rest of the work. At cruise altitude, this thing sits so well in the skies, and we saw about 370 miles per hour in cruise. The Citation II jet uses two Pratt & Whitney JT15 engines. Each engine produces about 3,000 pounds of full thrust. At cruise speeds of 300 to 400 miles per hour, you also burn about 200 gallons of fuel per hour combined. As we got closer to our destination, Kid asked me if I wanted to get some hands-on time. This aircraft may be nose heavy, but when you turn that yoke, it goes wherever you need it to go. As we approached the runway for landing, the GoPro completely went dead, so I had to resort to manual cameraman. We touched back down to our final destination, and I have to say, this jet made such an impression on me. It's not the fastest jet in the world. It's also not the most expensive jet in the world. As a matter of fact, this 1982 Cessna Citation II can be found for less than $1 million. For about $500,000 to $600,000, you can pick up a Citation II jet. You spend another $200,000 in upgrades, and you've got yourself a modern private jet. And that is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you did, please give a thumbs up. And if this is your first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Again, my name is Mike, and I will catch you on the next video.